Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a haul video. I'm going to do a collective haul today. I've put orders in from Revolution Beauty and Nip and Fab. So I wanted to show you just what I've got from the both of them. So we're going to start with Revolution first. They've come out with some new things and there were some other things that I wanted to try. So yeah, I picked up a few things. I think I ordered this like on a Thursday or a Friday and it arrived on a Tuesday. So pretty good turnaround really. It took longer for the order to be like processed and dispatched than it took for the actual shipping. So let's have a look at the items what I got. I did get 2 free gifts with my order. They currently, as I am filming this, they are having like a mystery bag. I don't know how long that will last for, but if you spend like over about 30 quid, you get a free mystery bag. But I personally am not that interested in it because I know with all the mystery bags, they do put some of the like leftover sale kind of stuff, so it's not that great. So don't think of ordering just to get the mystery bag. So I Heart Revolution, I've brought out some new stuff. This is the coconut baking powder. The packaging is just so cute on these. I'm going to have to get some scissors and cut these open though. Okay, so I got it in the kind of shade coconut. They did have other shades as well, and they did like do like I think that, well, this one's the like the translucent one. I think they did a yellow one. I think they did a darker one. So they did like some good shades in them, but I always get the lightest ones. So let's have a look at this. Now I think it was Obsession did a baking powder and I didn't like that powder. It kind of went really patchy and funny on my skin, so I'm hoping it's not the same formula. But the packaging is just so cute. It actually looks like a body whip or something, like it's that big. So oh, and it comes with a little puff with I Heart Revolution on. So yeah, that's a new powder for me to try. Next thing I got is one of the new primers. This is also by the I Heart Revolution range. So they've brought out some new primers, like they've brought like a colour correcting one, a moisturising one. So this is the Mattifying Primer with vitamin C and E. So I've heard that these smell really amazing. So let's just open it and see. Okay, so let's have a smell. I actually can't smell anything, oh no. I'll take the lid off and see if I can smell anything else. It just smells nice. It doesn't really smell of anything in particular. Maybe the, because seeing as it smells, it says it's peach delight, I can't really smell anything. So maybe like the other scents or the other primers smell a little bit more stronger than this one. But yeah, this seems like it's going to be a silicone primer. Yeah, it's just like the Smashbox kind of texture, and yeah, that's just disappeared into my skin quite nicely. So I will give that one a try sometime. Because I spent over £20, I did get a free sample of skincare. So you could pick, I think they had about 3 choices. So I got the Niacinamide. So it's just like a little 5ml sample, and I mean they're not expensive anyway. I think these are about £5 or £6 to buy, but I thought it was just nice that you got like a little sample, and that's quite a good little size. So I'll give that a go because I think yeah, niacinamide is good for my skin, so it helps reduce the look of pores and blemishes. So that was a nice little freebie. So I got one of the new palettes. So this is the rainbow palette. So I think I'm going to do a video on this. So if you'd like me to do a video on any of these products, please let me know if there's anything in particular. So it just looks like this. So it's a lovely like bright palette. I know that there are other Revolution bright palettes, like there's the Reloaded palette. I have a video on that, so we'll link that in the description box. And there are other palettes in this kind of range, like the Constellation ones, and I did a video on one of those as well, so I will link that one down below as well. But yeah, this one was £10, but I think the colours are really fun, and especially seeing as we're going into like winter, a lot of burgundies are coming out, like the warm tones, and people are, you know, going to be doing darker lips and things like that. I think it's great that they've come out with this fun like palette. I think it is part of the Halloween range, that is why, but you know, it doesn't really strike me as very Halloweeny, this one. So I got 2 palettes from the Makeup Obsession line, and this is the Sweet Like. So this is the outer packaging, and then the inside packaging actually matches it, which is really cute, because a lot of Revolution's packaging, or they used to at least, they used to have like really funky cardboard packaging, and then the palette would be just like dead boring inside. So I'm glad that they've changed that up. Now at first I wasn't actually going to get this palette, but then the more I looked at it, the more I saw Jeffree Star's Blood Sugar in this. So this is what the palette looks like. So I don't know, obviously I don't have the technology to kind of put like an image here so we can compare the two, but like there was some, and I know there's only so many shades you can kind of put in a palette, so obviously there will be some similarities between some kind of palettes, but Revolution are very known for doing like dupes of things. But anyway, I just thought, because there's like the bright pink, there's like golds in there, there's burgundy colours, so yeah, that really reminded me of Blood Sugar. So if you'd like to see a video on that one, let me know. Oh, and that one was £6. This is the other Revolution, the box keeps falling off my knee. So this is the other Revolution palette, it's called London's Calling, and now this is like more of a grungy palette, which is cool. So just looks like this. Again, only £6, so really good deal. So if you ordered over £30 as well, you got a free palette. So mine was the Iconic Pro 2. So this is a dupe for the, what's it called? The Lorac Palette. So it just looks like this. So if you know, in a video ages ago, I got one of these as part of like a mystery bag, so I've got another one now, so I don't know whether, you know, I will give that one away to a friend or something. But yeah, I did a video on this like a long time ago, and yeah, that was actually a good performing video, that one. So that is the Revolution stuff over, and because it's not like a massive load of stuff, I mean it is a good amount, but it's not like boxes and boxes of stuff. I kind of wanted to show you what Nip Fab I'd got as well. Nip and Fab, I always call it Nip Fab. Nip and Fab the other week were having 75% off makeup. How good was that? So I did have some things I really wanted, but like literally things were going out of stock as it was in my basket. So I've got some stuff, I didn't get everything I wanted, but I got a good amount of things. So this first thing is the primer water, and I'm actually a really fan of primer waters in the morning before like going to work, because it's something that, you know, when you've not got very long to get ready, you can just spritz it on your face and that's your primer done. You know, I just thought it was very easy to use, and this was like about £10, but then when you take the 75% off, it's like £2.50, so that's an absolute bargain. My total for Nip and Fab should have been like about £114, and I paid £28, so that's an absolute bargain. The next thing I got was a Multitasking Fixing Mist. So it's just one of those where you shake it up and it kind of looks a little bit funny, but I've not tried this yet, and I'm wondering, is it going to spray out this glowy? Because when I saw it like this, I thought it was just the packaging, because I have got one of the other Nip Fab sprays before. Let me show you. This is the one I've already got, and it's actually quite a nice spray. I tried this like in a first impressions, so I'll also link that video down below. So this is the one that I've already got, and then when I saw this, I thought like the brown was just the packaging. I didn't actually realise it was like the liquid inside, so I'm assuming it's going to come out glowy. And then if it does come out really glowy, it's probably not going to match my skin, so I might have to, you know, proceed with caution with that one. But it does say it's a Multitasking Fixing Mist. Again, this one was about £10, so when you take off the 75%, it's like £2.50. I got one of the foundations. These are so cute. So I got it in the shade 10. It's not the lighter shade. Shade 5 is the lighter shade, but shade 5 was out of stock because everybody had got that. So this is the little foundation. I think these are about £12.95 or something like that, but yeah, 75% off. I think it was, but so they have been in the sale for £5 as well, so I can't remember what it worked out at, but yeah, anyway, my whole order only made £28 anyway. Then I got 2 of the primers. So this is the Pink Grapefruit Primer Essence, just looks like this. I have got the green mango, I think it's called, and it smells amazing. So I wanted to get one of these because they were on sale for such a great price. These are actually on the Nip and Fab sale price now for £5. So even if you missed out on the 75%, they're in the £5 finds section, and they've got all of these for £5. They've got palettes for £5. They've got some really good stuff, so I would definitely check them out. They're always doing some really good sales. Then I also got this unicorn essence. So I think it's supposed to be like just a moisturising one, and it looks really cool. Oh yeah, so it's kind of like a little bit glittery, so it'll make you look quite glowy. So I can use that on days when I want a little bit more of a dewy look. So every order from Nip and Fab comes with like a little sample of their glycolic fix daily cleansing pads. So they're just like this. You just get 5 in there, but they're a nice little sample. Oh, that's just fallen on the floor. I got one of the concealers as well because these are like $7.95 I think, and then obviously 75% off. It's like peanuts. So I got it in the shade 1, and apparently shade 2 is actually lighter than shade 1. So I don't know how that works. But yeah, I thought definitely at the moment it will suit me because, you know, I've got a little bit more of a tan on. I can probably get away with it, you know, when I am pale as well though. I did get one of the felt tip eyeliners. Again, $7.95 with 75% off, such a great bargain. I also got one of the contour palettes. Now this is in the medium shade, so it looks like this. I can tell you right now that this highlight shade is going to be too dark for me, as is this shade. But I actually like this shade. I thought that would be a nice shade for me. But I wanted the light palette, but that sold out while it was in my basket. But I thought for the price that it was going to be after discount, I couldn't pass it up. So I thought I would get it anyway. Okay, so we are nearly done now. I've just got some liquid lipsticks, $7.95 plus the discount. They worked out like £1 something each. Really good price. So I got 3 shades. I got a marshmallow, toffee and cinnamon. I know that you can't see them that well because they're in the plastic packaging and the lights are shining off them, but I think I'm going to give some of these to my friend for her birthday. I'm just not sure which shade yet, so I don't want to unwrap them yet. That is my Nip and Fab and Revolution haul. If you have tried anything by Nip and Fab and you really recommend something, let me know in the comments because I'd really like to try out more stuff from them, and especially seeing as they're always having some good sales on. So if you recommend anything, please leave it in the comments box. So thanks for watching, guys. I will leave you some videos in the description box because I've mentioned quite a few, and I will see you again shortly. Bye.